Hey everyone, Dr. Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going over progression of exercises that emphasize your lower trap. In this cluster, we're going to go over 4 exercises, starting with the easiest to more advanced ones. The first one, you're going to lay on your stomach with your hand against your side, your elbow straight, and you're going to engage your lower trap and bring your arm and your shoulder blade up towards your spine and down in a nice gentle contraction. You should feel it in your lower trap area. We're going to do 6 in this position. And then for the next one, you're going to bring your arm out to like a 90-90, and you're going to do the same thing again. Feel that gentle contraction in your lower trap area. You want to make sure you minimize anything in your low back, and you don't want to extend your low back. You want to feel it in your low trap, and nothing else should move. Okay, the third one, bring it up into a little bit more of a higher angle, and again, lift your arm and your shoulder blade by squeezing the lower trap gently. Again, you want to emphasize the lower trap and not the low back. And then the last one, you're going to straighten your arm all the way out. Sometimes rotating your thumb backwards can help. And again, lift up. Again, emphasizing the low trap and not your back. Sometimes less movement is more efficient and effective.